In order for people to use your app, you need to run the server first. In this video, we will learn on how to run our first server and our first HTTP route, or in another name, API. So let's go ahead and do that. So right below here, you want to type in app listen. You want to listen to port 3030. Let's run our Node.js application. So I'm gonna open up my PowerShell. So here I'm gonna cd to Amazono and then cd to server, and I'm gonna type a nodeman. So if you use only Node, whenever you make any changes to your code, it will never restart the server by itself. But let's cancel this. If you do nodeman, okay, now we have this problem. The term nodeman is not recognized as the name of the command-lat function, script file, or operable program. So we have this, we called it path problem. So you need to verify whether your path is correct or not. So let's go to here, and you want to type in this PC, right click, properties, and then you want to go to advanced system, okay, password, and then you want to click environment variables, and then path, edit, and then you want to add new, and then this is what you're going to type in. Alright, this one, app data, and then npm. Alright, then you add to your path, so then only you can use nodeman. Okay, alright, so you want to go back here, you want to exit, and then you want to go back to your PowerShell, cd to Amazono, cd to server, okay, clear everything, and then you want to type in nodeman server, and now it runs perfectly. So it will restart, you know, whenever you make any changes to the code. So for example, if you go to your code and you add 3080, you save it, and then it automatically restarts. Awesome. So let's go back to our Visual Studio and remove this. Congratulations on building your first server. Now it runs, magic happens on port 3030. Really proud of you guys. I have a feeling that one of you guys are going to change the world soon, huh? I know you guys are going to change the world soon enough, one of you guys. So now let's move on. Next step is to create our first HTTP route. So let's go ahead and do that. So in the middle of here, I'm type in app.get request response save this, and then we want to test this route. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to our Google Chrome and type in localhost 3030. It will show user Arash Yahya. So technically we are using one of the HTTP methods, which is get. Get is just getting data from this route. That's it. So technically we pass in a route name, which in our case will be, for example, www.example.com. It is the same as this. As you can see, localhost 3030, if you add slash, it will still be the same. And then we pass in, let me move this first, and then we pass in a callback function with parameters of request, response, and next, and then we return a JSON data format, and we give it a user object, which the value is Arashahaya. So in a nutshell, whenever someone visits this HTTP route, it will simply return a JSON data. In this video, we learn on how to run our first server and as well as our first HTTP route. In the next video, we will set up our Cloud MongoDB account. I'll see you guys in the next video.